Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation, guys. Pisces, if you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. We have 5 of air, chariot and 4 of fire. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, today you are someone who has faced a lot of trials in your life. You have a lot of experience in your situation, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, and you are someone, maybe you have faced lot of conflicting situations and you know the truth, the way you think or what you need or what is the intention or motives you have, and you have a clear understanding that people are different and each and every one of us have faced a lot of conflicts in life, and you are trying to adapt yourself, finding a peaceful way to let this person live and also find that balance with that person. So you are not someone who is creating problems. You are someone having that acceptance in your heart today, guys, Pisces. So that may be the reason things are going smoothly in your situation today. Maybe the trials you faced, all that sacrifices you did, you have come to an understanding today. So you are trying to balance and live peacefully in your situation, and you have overcome all those obstacles and you are honest and fearless, guys. So all that your intentions, maybe positive intentions you have, all that is bearing fruits today. And you are successful today because you have overcome all the troubles you faced in your life today, guys. And most of all, you have a balanced, peaceful nature. So no matter what your situation is, you are having harmony in your life, in your relationship and in your career situation, guys. So that may be the reason that your situation is going to unfold magically, guys. Some kind of beautiful changes are happening in your situation because of the way you are. You are the one, you are the flame that is igniting that huge change happening in your life, because you are someone who is very positive, who is harmonious no matter what your situation is. So being harmonious no matter what, it it just absorbs or invites more happiness and success in our life, guys. So that may be the reason things are going in a very positive way for you all today, guys. And maybe you are celebrating some new beginning in your situation, guys, Pisces. Some beginning, it may be a beginning in your relationship or a new beginning in your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Sun. Again, a very positive card here, guys. This card stands for abundance, happiness, success and prosperity. So in your connection, you are simply having a beautiful relationship with this person, or you will find someone with whom you will have a beautiful relationship, guys. Or if you are already with someone, this relationship is going to have a great change, guys, and you are going to have that mutual love, respect, and caring, and a beautiful understanding with each other. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is 5 of Fire. I hope you can see the cards here. So with this card, it just means that you are someone who knows that each and every one of us have different ideas and different goals, different aspirations. So you are honoring the difference of opinions you have in your career situation, and you are finding the right options for you in that, guys, and you are doing it in a very balanced way, guys, Pisces, in your career situation. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we'll see what it is. We have the Wood Maiden, Trust. That is the card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in your situation, whatever is happening to you today, whatever is unfolding, you need to trust that. Trust in the moment. Maybe certain things may look unreal. Maybe people are gifting you, or the experience you have, it may look like something magical, and you cannot trust yourself for the things that are coming towards you, guys. And you need to be really careful with whom you share your gifts today. Maybe you are in a wonderful situation, but you need to share it with people only whom you trust, guys, on whom you have that total trust. Because maybe some people, they may not believe you, but some of them, they may just try to rob you of your opportunities. So this is the time to believe in what is happening to you in your situation. Maybe some unbelievable changes are happening in this relationship, in this love. So whatever gifts or whatever blessings that you are getting today, you need to hold on to it, cherish that moment and be happy for how things are going today, guys. And even smallest things can bring great happiness in your situation, guys. So if you are content, if you have that contentment in your heart, even the smallest of blessing is going to fill you with happiness and emotional satisfaction. So that is the energy, and whatever good things that you did, maybe your good nature or your hard work, whatever it is going to bring you great rewards. That is also the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Let's see what is the card. It is Cherish Innocence. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not make if you are in the verge of making some important decisions today, this may not be the right time. Maybe this is the time for you to be cheerful, have that innocence in your heart, and face your situation with less fear and more wonder. Act like a child, guys. And we should not take anything too seriously. When you are happy and when you are cheerful, just like a child, you are going to let yourself enjoy the simplest things that you are facing today. And you are going to feel light, less responsible, and less burdened today. And maybe you are going to simply feel so much better if you are able to go out, enjoy a little with this person you love, allow yourself to laugh and see your situation, just enjoy, have fun with friends or family or with this person you love, and your situation is going to change magically, guys. So you are going to feel happy, and you are going to cherish that inner child each and every one of us have. So when we go for this childlike pleasures, it is simply going to help us heal and rejuvenate, feel rejuvenated, feel fresh, so we can take on our situation more strongly, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.